to Loodle-crafts. Hello, my dear friends. Guess what? I'm at the farm today, and I see some cute cows grazing in the field. I'm going to take a few pictures, so I can draw them later. Join with me. Let's draw it together. Ready to go? Let's start drawing step by step. Great job on the drawing. Now let's start coloring step by step. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Keep practicing and having fun. And until next time, bye-bye.